What is up, guys? Today we're going over this Dodge Ram that I bought from a salvage auction, so stay tuned. This is a 2011 Ram 1500, but as you can see, it looks a little bit different than a typical truck you'd see cruising down the street. That's because I bought it super cheap directly from a salvage auction. In the video, you'll see why it was totaled, how it'll be fixed and cleaned up. But first, let's take a quick look around. You'll notice these paint marks are all over the truck. The insurance company uses these to mark damaged panels that need to be repaired or replaced. But it's a bit exaggerated, as you'll see. Check out this headlight. It's a perfect example of how to save some money on a rebuild project. It's marked up, meaning the insurance company would have to replace it. But it's perfectly fine, it just has a few scratches on it. So let's get those out with the magic eraser. And just like that, it looks new again. Let's get this paint off with some Goo Gone, a razor, and a rag. I'm only using the razor on glass so it doesn't scratch up the paintwork. And just like that, the window's cleaned. The taillight is just loosened up. It's also marked, but not damaged. The bumper has a few bumps in it, but I think it'll be fine like that. On this side, you could see the rocker panel is cut up, and that was done by the insurance company to try to inspect underneath. I took it to a body shop and they were able to get that repaired just by welding it up and repainting it so it looks new again. It's time to inspect the inside with the shop cat. This truck has sort of a basic package, but at least we got power windows and stuff. The cat definitely smells dog hair because there's a ton of it throughout the seats. There's also a bunch of dust from the shop, but don't worry, it's going to be vacuumed, extracted, and steam cleaned out. Let's see what we got under this hood. Looks like it's a V8 with plenty of power and lots of dirt. Enough looking around though. It's time to get it cleaned up. As I finished extracting the seats, my Bissell little green machine finally quit on me. It was probably my fault for pushing the handle a little too hard, but I've since replaced it for a better Bissell machine that's still budget friendly. If you're interested in that or anything else that I use in these videos, check out the links in the description below. Wheel bucket, soap, and this with grit guard on the bottom. I ran out of daylight, so I pulled the truck into the garage, and man, this thing barely fit in here. But I'll pick it up the next day. If you couldn't tell yesterday, this truck had a bunch of dirt on it, so I gotta clean that up out of the driveway today. The other stuff I need to finish up is cleaning the plastics on the inside, buffing out some little spots, and adding some finishing touches before I could say this is a wrapped up project. Aerospace 303 to protect these plastic surfaces. Check out how clean this truck is turning out. Let's go through a little montage to end the video out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. See ya!